Hi, we're gonna make today a summer snack, very fresh for summer and with our zucchini from the garden. Ingredients: zucchini. If you don't have from your garden, you can buy, but look at the size of this. Ham, any kind of ham or prosciutto, cream cheese or any other cheese, the one that you like it, anyone. Doesn't have to be a spread one, even can be another kind of cheese. Fresh parsley, which I don't have this year. I don't have any one, but so I'm gonna use the other one. Some flour, but this is just you can replace this for Parmesan cheese grated, but no, you can put only 2 or 3 spoons of flour too. And salt. Okay, first step, cut the zucchinis. And you start grounded on this side. Okay. Vamos a empezar. Okay, now when we finish here, we put in a bowl. Okay. So we put in a bowl all the zucchini. It's only zucchini here, okay? And we put a little bit of salt so the water comes out. So you only have the zucchini. See? Just a little bit. Just mix it and then all the water comes out because they have a lot of water. In another bowl, I forgot to tell you that you need also eggs, but it's okay. In another bowl, crack 2 or 3 eggs. You don't have to be precise. Sometimes you have a big zucchinis, you have small zucchinis. It all depends of the size of your zucchini or the size of what you want to make. So I'm gonna start with 3 eggs and we go from there. Okay, then we add 2 or 3 spoons of flour. There. Flour. Some parsley. Remember, the fresh one is better. I don't have today, so it's okay for me to use that one. And remember the zucchini we put with salt, so just leave it there for 2 or 3 minutes and there will be, and the water comes out like that easy. Look, this is the idea, to squeeze them, get rid of that water. Okay, and then we transfer here. See how much water they have? Okay, so we mix all together. It's not difficult to mix. They all combine all the ingredients. It's the mix we have. So we have put some parchment paper. Like that, maybe. Okay. Some parchment paper here. So we put some oil, any kind of vegetable oil. We brush. The idea is to have a non-sticky surface. Sometimes some parchment papers you don't need this. You can do also with the silicone sheets that they sell, sometimes they sell, but I like this one better. Let me put this here. And after we arrange this one, we put the oven. Let's turn on the oven. See, 350. My oven goes to 355. It's okay. Everyone is different, but it usually is the same temperature that you use to make a pizza. So if whatever temperature your pizza is done, that will work for this recipe. And it only will stay like 15 or 20 minutes there. So now you do this. Try to not leave holes here, so you have to put all together. You have to come all together. Like that. So. And we put in the oven 15 or 20, between 15 and 20 minutes. Okay, this is in the oven. Okay, for the filling, we can have provolone cheese like that inside, and ham or prosciutto, which I don't have today. We can have cream cheese also, with spinach, which is not bad combination with zucchini. Or if you want to do vegetarian, you can go and fry some mushrooms with onions, and put mushrooms and onions and go totally vegetarians. So no ham and no cheese. But it's your option. Today I'm gonna do with ham and cheese. Okay, to see if it's ready, just have a wooden spoon or any spoon that you can put in the oven. Be careful. Just open a little bit. You see, it's still too soft, so it's not ready yet. It needs more time. It has to have the texture of a frittata. You know frittata? Let me know in the comments if you know what frittata is. Okay, let's check. You see the outside crust is getting brown. The outside crust is getting brown, so once it's like that, it's almost done. Doesn't matter if here still is, you see the texture here still no, but it's cooked. It's cooked, so it's okay. You can eat that. Anyways, it's gonna go to the oven again for a few minutes after, if you want. If you don't want it, you can eat like that. It's not raw. It's cooked. But if you want more crispy, or if you want it golden, that's another story. But like that, it's okay. Okay, so it's ready. You see here? See? Like that. It has to be like that. Let's cool it down.
Yes.
Okay, so now that it's still a little bit warm, I'm spreading the cream cheese, because my cream cheese, it was still too cold, so it was very hard. So I just take advantage of the warmness here. It's very warm still. Here, like that, we spread through all. Okay. If you want to put more, you can put more. It's on you. This recipe is, there's no quantities. It's whatever you want. That's what I like it, when I have freedom. See, all done. Now we put some ham. These are too big, but still, it's okay. Let's put maybe half here like that. You have to play sometimes with the shapes here. It's okay like that. So now the idea, oh, I forgot, we can put this one too. Just a little bit. This is not too much. I don't like this one too much because I already have the cream cheese. So what we do now, we're gonna go from this way. Yes. And we roll it. You see, it's still hot. Don't burn yourself. So we go. It's very, very hot. I should have come. Okay, here we go. Okay, just like that. And we leave it a little bit more in the oven and it's ready. So we leave it in the oven and then it's ready. And we can cut, you can cut like that in slices and serve cold. And it's a very, very nice snack for summer. Okay, so now it's ready. It's very hot. Very hot. So if you want to see how it's inside, still too hot. The idea is to cool down. I'm just gonna cut just one piece so you can see it. Maybe we can help with this, the help of this one. Yeah. And you see, when it's cold, it's gonna be more firm. When it's getting cold, it's gonna be more firm and it's gonna be delicious. Very nice snack for summer.